Hello crafters, this is Niyati and today I am going to show you how you can cut out a perfect heart in very easy way which you can use in your crafts. So make sure to like this video and consider subscribing if you haven't already subscribed. And without further ado, let's get started. To draw a perfect heart, we will need a pencil, a scale and a compass. First, draw a straight line. Now take 5 cm distance in compass and draw a circle. Now mark at 1 cm inside the circle from intersected point. Now take the compass and mark at the left side of the circle. Make sure the distance between the compass is 5 cm. Now draw a circle from marked point. Now mark at 3.5 cm on both the circles. Now draw a straight line intersecting both the points. And mark at 11.5 from this point. Now join these 2 points. Same for second circle. Now we will cut the heart. Your perfect heart is ready. If you want to draw a small heart, then you can use a circular bangle or any other circular thing. Now draw a circle and another circle intersecting the first circle. Now draw a straight line intersecting both the points. Now join both the points for both the circle as shown earlier. Your small heart is ready. Now we will cut the heart. This is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.